we're talking about the band, so next time.
Yeah, thanks. Our team member Juan did some awesome work for us.
Well, I'm not a coder, so I just started doing something that I could do for the group.
Making use of all of our assets. So, could you introduce yourself?
Juan. I'm a DJ, I'm an artist, and I was here to see the process.
I'm Nick. I'm a software developer.
I'm Jacques. I'm project management business analysis.
I am kidding. I'm just some kid. I've been into software development for a while. I've been trying to start an organization called Starter.org. I should have been louder. I've generally been loud the whole day. So what happened here was that somehow we ended up with almost entirely visionaries without software developers. So we're kind of lacking some code, and we ended up just forming a problem case to review you guys, and then you guys can get on there and start coding. Alright, and we don't have visuals, unfortunately. Alright, so what we did. Yeah, we're just doing our notes, which we're all online. Did you start the 5 minutes?
Yeah, you're like. We're taking Team 5's time also.
Yeah.
I didn't like 3 minutes before I started it, so.
If we can find the wiki, where do we go? There it is. Okay, so what we're doing is we want to create an application called weavN that will, and it's very good. It's all about, it's a platform for catalyzing social conversation to bridge subject matters, to create unique ideas by connecting different ideas and capturing the energy, the talent, the expertise of Philadelphia and creating conversation. And we think that naturally from those conversations, action will emerge. So an example of what we're interested in and what we think is a good example of how this would work is the vacant lots. Taking the idea of vacant lots, the urban farming, city government, Saul High School, and green jobs. There's potential just in that, right? So what if we centralize conversation around that? We bring these communities together. A lot of good things can happen.
Specific example. Seoul High School is the largest agricultural high school in the country. It's a pretty amazing place. And they have a CSA actually on its ground. Then on the other side you have, I don't know, somewhere between around 15 urban farms, somewhere between 15 and 20. Every year there's more urban farms in Philadelphia. And they post regularly jobs. And then you have also a need, you have, the unemployment rate in the inner city is, what was it before? What was it?
10% unemployment.
It's probably a little high.
Yeah, that's what
I live there. So here you have empty lots. You have Occupy Philadelphia, which has a branch which all they want to do is actually convert the empty lots in urban farms. And they are doing this since December. You have high school students who are trained, and then they don't necessarily know about those jobs. So how do you put all this together?
The point is they're all talking about it separate from each other, and we want to give someone the power to pull in all those conversations, whether they may be private or public on websites, pulling from social media, all into one place. There are a lot of technologies out there that do things like this. One made by Code for America is
Change by us.
Change by us, thank you. And that's a great one for connecting people with a specific problem to people who want to solve it. But it's still lacking putting a connection together between conversations and just talking about something and seeing the
It's
serendipity
project
that goes out of
oriented.
that. Another example is, that's a really cool site, is
Storify.
And that's a place where you can pull together all different sorts of social media and create your own story out of that. That would basically be the idea that we have for doing this, is to pull together conversations, create a central place for other people to have follow-up conversations on that. And even do things like pull in email lists, because a lot of these are antiquated. So you can provide them with a sync to pull in email and have that be turned into a follow-up conversation.
So people like you
We're out of time, actually.
and people from passionate about other things come together